Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Maps on the device you'll use. If on mobile, tap the app. If on desktop, go to Maps. Google, com and sign in. You want location permission enabled so Maps centers where you are. This shortens the process. Once done, look for the layers or menu icon in the corner. That is the control hub. Make sure you're connected to a stable network because satellite tiles stream and need bandwidth to load quickly. Next, open Layers or the stack square icon and pick Satellite as the map type. This replaces vector maps with aerial imagery. You can toggle labels on or off depending on whether you need street names or a cleaner photo. Once selected, pinch to zoom or use the +/ controls. Higher zoom loads higher resolution tiles, so wait briefly for detail to appear. If you need terrain or 3D, enable those additional layers. They overlay altitude data and building shapes for context. To finish, refine the view by enabling 3D or tilting the map for perspective. On mobile, double tap and drag to tilt. Zoom into your point of interest and use layers to toggle labels or traffic overlays, making sure the imagery matches your needs. If tiles don't load, clear the app cache or reload the page, then check your connection and update the app. If the satellite image looks wrong, report it with Send Feedback so Google can investigate and refresh imagery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.